All right, in this video, I want to talk about the show Songland. Have you guys seen the show Songland? It's amazing for songwriters, for rappers, for anybody who makes music, for producers. I highly recommend watching Songland. Songland is a show that gives the songwriters, the ghostwriters, the people behind the music, the people who are writing songs for the biggest artists of our time. It's for new songwriters to come and pitch their songs to famous producers and songwriters. And then these famous producers and songwriters help these songwriters get their song featured for a major artist. So it'll be 3 famous songwriters and 1 artist that's looking for a song, and then new songwriters will come and pitch their songs to the artist to hopefully get used. And it's usually 4 songwriters, and then they cut 1, and then they have 3 work with the producers, and each one of the producers helps them flesh out their songs and make really awesome songs. And then they pick their favorite song for the artist, and the artist records that song, and then that songwriter has a credit with a famous artist. It's a really awesome show, but what's really cool about it is that it shows a lot of amazing songwriting secrets and rap secrets that will really help you. So I highly recommend watching it. One of the things that you'll see the pro songwriters do that I talk about a lot is prioritizing flow and melodies over the lyrics. So when someone comes with their song, all of a sudden when they stop their song, all of the pro songwriters will start freestyling melodies like and they'll just start coming up with melodies and flows on the spot without lyrics. They'll just be scatting, saying gibberish over the music to try to come up with new and interesting melodies. And you can see these pro songwriters interacting with each other and communicating with each other with just using melodies and gibberish and flows. And this is amazing. This is what it's like in these pro studios. And there's this famous songwriter named Esther Dean who wrote songs for Beyonce and Rihanna and for Katy Perry. And she's not musically trained at all. She doesn't know how to read music, but she writes songs for some of the biggest artists on Billboard because she understands how to connect the music, how to flow, how to come up with melodies, and she understands that coming up with melodies and flows is gold for the music industry. So the show is really awesome. It's really great for seeing behind the scenes of the process, and what you realize is how simple it is. It's coming up with melodies and flows first, and then adding the lyrics to that, because it's going to make you a lot more confident in your songs and your verses when you already know they're going to flow well. So I was really happy to see that in the show. I was really happy that they were sharing these songwriting secrets in the show. Definitely watch it. I think you're going to learn a lot. And if you don't know what scatting is, and if you want help with like freestyling over beats, take my free course below. It's called the Legendary Rap Flow Masterclass. It will help you get comfortable scatting over beats, connecting with music so that you can come up with flows and melodies over the beats. It will help you stop worrying about lyrics, focusing on connecting with the music so that you can come up with flows and then be confident that you could write your own lyric over these natural flows that you come up with when you hear music. All right, so take that free course below. The Legendary Rap Flow Masterclass will also help you get more confident with your voice and just have a lot more fun with music. This is something that I've been using a lot to write songs. So check that out below. It'll also give you access to more training if you want. Thanks for watching this video. Go watch Songland and let me know if you've seen Songland in the comments, if there's anything you've learned, anything that stood out to you. It's an amazing show. 100% watch that. It's going to make you a better rapper, songwriter, and producer overall. So check that out and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.